educating these people. As a parent, I am unable to educate them because the school is very costly and I don't have enough money to support them. So I beg you as the Shakos to help them and to assist all the students to possess the highmost education.
Tungeomba serikali iangalie ione imenaro the gap katikati ya ile mashule makubwa ambayo kila wakati inapewa pesa mingi na yale mashule mengine inaitwa mashule madogo, so that mashule madogo yao na facilities, isiwe mtoto wote wanakimbilia mashule makubwa na kuna mashule mengine hapa mashinani lakini hayana facilities.
Manchito murigeria boiga basaye nigo baborigwe kwenekia bonanko bwatabale ibande ebinyale biko bakonya asokwenyorereme remo na boiga kwenyorereme roberia serikali kurwasche chinsemo niga ya kwana ya Belio Kipsang kurwasche chinsemo Shatana River asomoroberio o administration kwenekia bona abasaye bonse batabate ibande konyorera bali ibande ibiranyale biko bakonya.
We are vigorously protected. Na nyinyi ndio you are the only ones wenye wataprotect hiyo trust yenye tumepewa na rais. Na nimeona jana ile ranking ya hiyo identity yetu kama Wakenya ilipewa kwa East Africa kwa namba 1. Kwa ulimwengu yote tuko namba 68.
Manjito murigeria na ya gutwikira kurwase county area ya Nyamira nigo gwikira boniga abo bisaba ikiranira roro ase nyumba yemo na gumura amarunse ayuare amaruata ikiraniti asibaborira bamenyi bechinseme che county Nyamira kwenekia bunango cyabare kumobeka byara na bego komasoera ode bwensi oratoke ne nyumba usobwate nyumba yokonia amaru.
We have destroyed by pouring all the 640 liters. This is just a warning to those people who are dealing in this business that we mean well for the community of Borabu, we mean well for the residents of Borabu, and we are going to work hard as a team to ensure that we get rid of the bigger fishes who are supplying, so that we cut the source for the smaller ones who are the retailers.
Manjito murigeria chinga kiabo bisa bobolendi bagendete kwekora musako agose kwende bagendete gokorobu ningi aschinse mochiria cha Northeastern pono nigegati yabasaibe sokire na kwena na amalyogo yogotindia ayubatebire buna nigwabeire gako bairanya maiga asibaburire serikali kubabwatesia eribanyale bakwenyorera nchira banya bakorobo nchoriria nabego kwenyorera chinchera chiria baranyale bakwenyorera bitoki byabo. Manchito murigeria maiga yo mawaziri boborendi boime Kipchumba Murkomen ko kwanera amalyogo yogotindia nabego gotebonde basura chikubwatwa na nyarega kwirira igitambukiro turarori gatiyo mu muryo nyaraka wesokia na kubwatoka amalyogo ayo gochiase abanyanyimbo.
Mimi sioni maana ya hivi vitu, nimefanya hivi vitu kwa mwezi saba. Siona maana yake. Na siona faida. Kwa sasa ndaka niwajane hivi vitu kabisa, nianze nifanye biashara nyingine. Magazi nyingine sasa amani imekuja, kuna kazi mingi mtazifanya.
My request to the locals that let us form a formidable team to fight these substances, because the kind of effect that we have realized within the community is even unexplainable. Right from school dropouts, the ineffective youth that cannot work for himself. We are also losing the entire national society from the youth. They are getting out of school so early, just to be seen within the villages doing nothing apart from consuming.
The likes of Yego wamekubali ya kuwa kulingana na hiyo crackdown yeye amejisalimisha, na ndiposa tuko hapa, na hiyo ndio tumesema we are not giving them, wale wengine we are giving you an ultimatum. Kila biashara ya bangi, biashara ya pombe haramu.
Waigo omwaziri b'ekisemi migoso gamba nigakwanire gati yemero bya serikali yebegete ochakwene kyabuna kisemi ngusukachire mutwe na baigo gosira kisemi mensi ya Kenya asaya kwanaya sinsemo cha Karen sababu atomusangirikano na bawasiri bande negati ya barai mensi ya Kenya.
Your Excellency, the reforms that we are rolling out in the education sector under your visionary leadership seek to entrench holistic education. We seek learning institutions and environments where intellectual development grows alongside character, responsibility, and civic awareness. This institution reflects these priorities in practice. The order, the cleanness, and the discipline across this campus speak clearly of an institution committed to excellence, respect, and purpose. Your Excellency, may I take this opportunity to express our deep gratitude to His Holiness Saidana Fadil Saifaduni. His Holiness stands as a revered scholar, a global leader, and a humanitarian whose lifelong mission places education at its very center. His vision reminds us that education must nurture the mind while shaping moral character. This way, we will produce graduates with integrity who will lead with both conscience and competence. This institution offers Kenya a powerful example of value-based education. Education here carries purpose beyond personal advancement in order to serve humanity. Students understand learning as a responsibility towards others and towards society at large. Al-Jamia to Salika enriches Kenya's educational landscape through innovation, mentorship, and sustained commitment to youth development. From its architecture to its curriculum, this institution shows how tradition and modernity move forward together. It honors heritage while engaging confidently with rapidly advancing world. These lessons resonate strongly with our own educational ambitions under your transformative reform. For this reason, Your Excellency, we value a partnership with this institution as it aligns fully with our national objectives in the education sector.
Nabego Mwanjito Mulgeria igati abasaikuru ase county ya Homa Bay nigo mona besokire nako tebabuna mbachikubwatirana ne kiama kiria kia ODM asebaigo bakeiro koboko goche kubwatirana ne serikali gose kubwatirana ne kiama kia UDA irikwene kiabuna umuraibense ya Kenya Muske William Samoei Ruto na chigoswa asentunde ya kabere ne yema ga yichinkwana chigendete gukwana nabo gokumbera na Mwanjito Mulgeria kwene kiabuna ekiama kiria kia ODM kunya kirike gutwara okoigwana ne kiama kiria kia UDA.
I want to applaud the resolution by the ODM for purposes of compensation to the victims of the demonstrations that we've had in the past. Most of these victims, and close to 90%, have been the youths. There was a compensation panel that was established by the president to look into this matter and compensate the victims. But we've had a lot of court issues on it. I therefore want to sincerely applaud the decision by ODM to try and check other means through which the government can intervene on this matter of compensation to our youths. The ODM recommended very many bodies that we are firmly behind that. Secondly, the broad-based government has shown a good indicator towards working with the youths. And that is why there are a lot of programs that have been rolled out for purposes of bringing the youth together and for purposes of getting benefits to
na gwikiragwo Mwanjito Mulgeria bwigeta Sengen Soko TV no kubutora magia chinsa isano na ibere kole ni chukora chinsa 10 no yenyore ayanda mangi na bwigota yemo ya margoba na chinsa isato cha margoba no yenyore ayanda mangi asubwagale kulinda sibono genda gucengera mero betu meta Sengen Soko TV ne roborso bomogusingo kaganire ikendengia na bwigo omwasomuya buna butambiriye teriane Diana Ndemo.